SEPTA's 30th Street subway station used to have a below-ground connection to Amtrak's gray 30th Street station, but they're now separated by a busy street filled with traffic. It's less safe for commuters, and it's inconvenient.
So it is kind of far to kind of bring your suitcase and everything, so it definitely would be easier and more accessible.
Good news! The underground passage could soon come back. Plans to reopen the connection are included in the federally funded renovation of the Amtrak station.
The most important thing around 30th Street Station to me is how people are walking around there. The traffic around the station is terrible. The way people drive around there is so unpleasant and so dangerous to me.
Gray 30th Street Station was constructed nearly 100 years ago and is still one of the most used train stations in the United States. Located on the Schuylkill River, the station serves millions of riders each year and connects to over 20 different rail lines. Across the street from Gray 30th Street Station is the entrance to the L, which helps connect the heart of the city to its outer neighborhoods, averaging more than 250,000 daily riders. Yet, there's no connection with Amtrak.
You have to come out of the station, go back outside, and then go back down, go back down. It's not transparent if you're not from here.
This wasn't always a problem. Between 1934 and 1981, there used to be a tunnel so people could cross directly underground.
For the convenience of rail passengers, the advantage is enormous. It was quite easy to exchange between the SEPTA lines and the Amtrak and the SEPTA regional rail lines.
In 1984, however, this underground passageway was shut down over concerns of fire, leaks, and safety. 39 years later, riders seem more concerned with the danger of crossing the traffic-ridden streets than the tunnel-related risk.
Crossing 30th is difficult and stressful, and getting there without having to deal with cars would be great.
Will it happen? The timeline isn't yet clear, but Amtrak's renovation plan includes a stairwell leading directly to SEPTA's train and trolley platforms. With the completion of the renovations set for the year 2050, the possibility of establishing a safer and efficient connection between the Gray 30th Street Station and SEPTA 30th Street Station is on the horizon.